Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning something very important, and these are words which we use very commonly almost on a day-to-day basis, and learning the correct pronunciations of these words will really advance you in your journey towards learning and mastering this beautiful language. So today we will be learning the correct pronunciations of the 12 months in a year. If there is a very widely known or accepted incorrect pronunciation of any of these months, I will first share that with you, followed by the correct pronunciation. So hear me out very carefully. The first month is not January, January, or January. No, it is very simple and fluid. January, January. It is January. Next, it is not February or February. That's wrong. It is February. Very fluid. February. Moving on. It is not March. March, no. It is March. It is March. The sound is silent. R is silent. It is March. Moving on. It is not April. April, no. Do not emphasize so much on or l. It is April. April. The sounds of R and L have to be very softened and mellowed down, almost blending with the rest of the phonetic sounds. April. Moving on, it is May. May. Next, June. June. Followed by July. July. Next, it is not August. August. No. Very fluid and smooth. August. August. Next, one of the most incorrectly pronounced months. September. September. No. September. September. It sounds very melodious and close to perfect if you do not pronounce the R at the end. September. September. Next, it is not October. October. No, do not place so much emphasis on the C, the T, no. It is October. October. Followed by not November. November. No. November. November. And the last month of the year, it is not December or December. No. It is December. December. I hope this video is helpful for all of you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Take care. Until next time. Bye bye.